The gingival zenith. So gingival zenith in restorative dentistry is like if this is the tooth. So gingival zenith is the most apical point on gingival margin. Gingival zenith is the most apical point on the gingival margin. So it gives us a natural scalloped gingival architecture. So this is important. The scalloped or natural architecture of the gingiva is very important in the aesthetic dentistry or in the aesthetic restorations. Like in the cases of the veneers or in the anterior aesthetic restorations, it is important. Why? Because gingival zenith or the apical point, if not taken into consideration, can cause either tooth can appear too long, or it can appear short, it can appear wide, or it can appear narrow. So thus balancing the smile and aesthetics, knowing the gingival zenith is important. For different tooth, it can be a different point. Like for the central incisor. So for central incisor, it is 1 mm distance from the long axis of the tooth. 1 mm distance distal to the long axis of the tooth. So this must be the gingival zenith for central incisor. 1 mm distal to the long axis of the tooth. Whereas for the lateral incisor, it is 0.5 mm distal to the 0.5 mm distal to the long axis of the tooth for lateral incisor. And for the canine, it is almost or close to the midline. The zenith point is at the midline of the long axis of the tooth. So keeping this in mind, we have to make sure while performing a aesthetic restoration to have a natural contour of the gingiva and thus helping in balancing the smile and the aesthetic.